Forming a Wyoming LLC is fast and easy. You form a Wyoming LLC by filing articles of organization with the Wyoming Secretary of State online, and you'll have a filed Wyoming LLC instantly. A Wyoming LLC is the best LLC in the U.S. You create a Wyoming LLC with a document called Articles of Organization. You can form a Wyoming LLC without listing members or managers' information on the public Articles of Organization. Wyoming has the best asset protection laws out of any limited liability company act in the U.S. There are many benefits of starting a Wyoming LLC. Let's check out. Privacy and anonymity. No LLC members are listed with Wyoming, no LLC managers are listed with Wyoming, no requirement to store the LLC operating agreement in state, even no requirement to come to Wyoming. You do not have to be a resident of Wyoming to own a Wyoming LLC. You will get the best charging order protection in the country and also the ability to have a closed LLC. There are no fees based on capital contributions. You can open a bank account anywhere and there is no need to come to Wyoming. No LLC operating agreement required, but you should have one. There is no personal or corporate income tax including. You can make a Wyoming LLC an S-Corp with the IRS. You can elect to have a Wyoming LLC taxed as a C corporation with the IRS. You'll get diverse options for membership protections and controlling interests in LLC membership. Wyoming LLCs can be formed instantly, no waiting times. How to form a Wyoming LLC yourself in 6 steps. Step 1. Choose a unique business name. You'll need a distinctive and original name for your LLC that's not used by any other business in the state. If you're having trouble coming up with a name, try using Business Name Generator to brainstorm ideas. You'll need to follow a few naming rules, which you can read about in detail on the Wyoming Business Names page. Once you've chosen a name, you'll need to make sure it's available in Wyoming. To find out whether another company is using your chosen business name, use our tool to do a business name search. You can also carry out a name search on the Wyoming Secretary of State website. Step 2. Provide an official business address for your LLC. Whether it's an office building, a home, if the company is run from a residence, or any other physical location, every LLC in Wyoming must have a designated street address. It can be outside the state, and you can choose to use a P.O. box. Step 3. Assign a registered agent. Someone who receives official legal and tax correspondence and has responsibility for filing reports with the Wyoming Secretary of State is called a registered agent. Every LLC in Wyoming is required to have a registered agent. This position can be filled by you, another manager in the business, or a dedicated registered agent service. If your Wyoming registered agent is a person, they must be at least 18 years of age, reside in the state and have a physical street address in Wyoming. They must also be present during business hours to receive important documents for your company. In Wyoming, you select your registered agent when you formally create your business by filing your Wyoming Articles of Organization. Step 4. File your Articles of Organization with the Wyoming Secretary of State. Once you've gathered all the information for your Wyoming LLC, you'll need to file a form with the Secretary of State to create your Articles of Organization, which officially creates your LLC. You can file your Wyoming Articles of Organization online using the state's filing system, mail a form to the office of the Wyoming Secretary of State, or have Northwest Registered Agent do it on your behalf. The Wyoming LLC filing fee is $100. You only need to file your Wyoming Articles of Organization once, but every year after, you must file a Wyoming annual report. This is also something Northwest Registered Agent can remind you to do, or we can handle the paperwork for you. Step 5. Get an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service. You'll need an EIN to identify your business to the IRS. You use an EIN when you file and pay taxes or when you submit payroll information and pay your employees. An EIN is also required to open a bank account for your business. You can obtain one directly from the IRS, or Northwest Registered Agent can get one for you as part of the Wyoming LLC formation process. Step 6. Create an operating agreement. A kind of instruction manual that explains how you'll run your business. An LLC operating agreement details how decisions will be made, how the business is divided among members, and what will happen if a member chooses to leave the company. Some states require that a company have an operating agreement in place. It isn't legally required in Wyoming, but it's a good idea to have one nonetheless. Once you form an LLC in Wyoming, the next year you will have to file an annual report each year. The annual report is filed on the first day of the month in which your business was formed. If you formed your LLC on January 25th, you will file your annual report each year by January 1st. You can file your Wyoming annual report online. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.